It's a very, very loud one today. Very loud. Got 9 people on site today. Very loud. 5 o'clock. Lads are still going. These boys, these brickies, they get here at 7 a.m. and they're just not stopping. They are doing awesome. So today has been a very noisy day. Lots and lots of demolition and destruction, mainly focused on the house. The holes that they had made, they needed to open up wider, and by wider they meant the whole of basically the very bottom, just above the skirting boards of the bedrooms. So they've had to do that in our bedroom, in the kids' bedrooms, in our ensuite. As you can see, there's a bottle of Listerine. Doubt we even knew that was there. You can see these are all the water pipes that are coming. You got the waste, that's your toilet pipe. So I think you know what goes down there. And then we come across into the kids' bedrooms. So as you can imagine, there's nobody sleeping in here at the moment because they could just fall out, which would be pretty bad news. So that's everything exposed, absolutely everything. We've got about, I think there's 16 acros at the minute propping up and holding this house up at the back. But today, as you may have noticed, they have got rid of the wall. So that's going to be the first bit. And then all of that out there is where we're going to be able to, well, make the most of, really. So this will be the view out the doors. And when the wind gets up, all of the bits of insulation that was in the cavity wall go in your eyes. If I just show you up here, they've gone into the utility roof as well, as they need to make it all join in. That's going to be another big bit of steel there. We've got the 5 and the 3 down there. I'm standing on the 7. We've got another 5 metre coming tomorrow, but tomorrow is all about getting all of these steels up. So I think they might tell us that we're no longer allowed to use our ensuite because they're going to have to get rid of all this pipe here, because that's dead in the middle of it all. So another hot day tomorrow, and I've told the boys it's going to be Ice Cream Friday. So to round off today, to finish what I was saying about originally having 5 holes in the wall, this is why the daughter's not sleeping in her room. As you can see, well, a bit of wind's just come in and blown it all up, but if we pump that down, you can see there, it's just totally and utterly open. The dog could fall down that as well. Would that be a bad thing?